you're going to be a dancing tree. Can you do that? Dance to the music. Make your foot on the ground really strong. Have you ever seen a dancing tree? I think they dance a lot, in the wind. Okay, now put that foot down and let's be a mountain. So you are strong. Put your hands down like this. Your legs are strong. You're dancing now. A dancing mountain. You could wiggle, just wiggle. That's it. Now take the other leg up and you're going to be like that tree again. Maybe take your hands over your head this time and let's focus. Let's be really strong. A little dance. Yay! Okay, now pretend the wind's coming and you could move your leg backwards and forwards and even to the side. Whoa, Mehdi! Whoa! And let's do the other side. Whoa! Oh, don't fall over. Whoa! And now both feet down. Pretend there's lots of wind. And it's taking all of your leaves. Make your legs really firm. You could spin around, twist like this. Whoa! That's it. All your leaves might be falling off. Whoa! Now keep your legs still and just move your arms. And maybe your tummy. Can you do that? Maybe your head. Whoa! It's a funny wind. It's only moving the top half of us. Can you go forward? Backwards. Now still in a little curtsy. Very good.